In 2025, scientists exploring the deep ocean found creatures that look like they're from another world. Over 8,000 meters below the surface, they discovered a jellyfish that glows in 3 different colors, something never seen before. They also recorded a massive shadowy creature, longer than a bus, still unidentified to this day. And the strangest discovery? A completely transparent organism, with no eyes, drifting silently in the dark. Down here, sunlight never reaches, and life evolves in ways we can't imagine. The deeper we look, the stranger the ocean becomes. Subscribe for more ocean secrets.